You don't have to be a celebrity chef to make beef Wellington. This is a beautifully elegant dinner that's easy to make and perfect for two. You'll need 2 7 to 8 ounce filet mignons, mushrooms, prosciutto, Dijon mustard, egg, thyme, and a sheet of puff pastry. Wrap the lightly seasoned fillets in plastic and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, make the mushroom mixture. Pulse the mushrooms in a food processor until finely ground. Sauté with seasonings and cook until there's no visible moisture. Remove from heat and set aside. Next, in a searing hot skillet, place the beef and sear all sides. Be sure to go around the edges. And once seared, remove from heat and lightly coat with Dijon mustard. Place the prosciutto in a perpendicular fashion and put a 1/4 cup of mushroom mixture on the prosciutto. Put the beef on top of the mushroom mixture and gently wrap the prosciutto around the fillet. Put the fillet on the puff pastry and roll the pastry around the fillet, tucking in the ends and removing any excess pastry dough. Wrap the pastry in plastic and refrigerate while you preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Brush the egg wash on the pastry and score with a sharp knife. Put the pastry in the oven and bake 12 to 15 minutes, and once your beef Wellington reaches the desired internal temperature, remove it from the oven and let it rest for 5 to 8 minutes. Then you're ready to slice, serve, and enjoy. For more recipes like this, visit smartypantskitchen.com and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.